did installations connecting substation DC systems. A substation DC system, like a utility scale substation, has high voltage lines coming in. Then it is connecting to the transformers. The voltage is stepping down. Your transformers are monitored. We monitor transformers. From there, you have the distribution lines, you have RMUs, you have your switch gear. We monitor those. We also monitor their switch gears. We also monitor their DC systems. The most critical thing is your critical backup systems. So we monitor individual batteries of your substation. And not just batteries, we partnered with one of the biggest name in sensors from Germany. And each sensor actually reads 5 different values from your battery. So it reads your voltage, it reads your temperature of the battery, individual cell.
That's
of
the
battery.
most important thing.
Yes, and it also reads the internal resistance, and it reads the state of charge, whether it's boost charge or it's actually in the float charge status.
Battery's health.
What state it is, because if you understand how exactly the batteries are connected in series. So if one battery is failing, the complete battery system is failing.
True.
So that's how it is critical.